To connect your custom SMTP in the Supabase project, navigate to Authentication, then Email, SMTP Settings, and Enable Custom SMTP. In this case, we're using Resend, and we're gonna navigate to Settings SMTP, and then copy our host. We can keep the port number, and minimum interval per user we're gonna set for 5 for our testing. User is the Resend. And then API key, we're gonna generate a new API key here. Full access and all domains. I'm gonna copy it here. As a sender email, we have to add our custom domain. We already have connected our domain here. Additionally, we will update our rate limits for sending emails, and we will set 60 per hour. Now we are going to send a curl request to sign up a user and see if this works. Let's see the logs for this event. You can see 200 post request for auth v1 sign up. We can see the pass, the method, and our host. This is our project API URL. Now let's also take a look at the auth logs. Sign up request completed. Here you can see similar records, user confirmation request, the actor username. Now let's also take a look at the recent logs. Here is our successful sign up and email. Here is our sent emails and our confirmation email template that we sent. Now let's update our SMTP settings and input the wrong password. Let's run another quick test. And you can see message error sending confirmation email. Let's also see the trail in the logs. So here in the API logs, we will see the 500 error. Here we can see unexpected failure. Let's take a look at the auth logs. Here we can see the error authentication credentials invalid. We won't see any errors in the recent logs since the request fails on the SMTP authentication step and email is not sent in this case. This is how you can quickly connect the custom SMTP. It's important to always update the rate limits. Even though you are connecting the custom SMTP, the rate limits still apply to the authentication requests. And this is it. Thank you very much.